Hey everyone, this is Tramboy70. Today I'm doing a comparison video to Harold the Helicopter. I got this Tomy, Trackmaster 1, Gold Whale, and Bachmann 1. Let's start with the Tomy one. Here's the Tomy Harold. So here's the front, side, the other side, the top, and the back. At the bottom, there's a thing. It's a thing you put on there. You saw that before on version 1 of comparison video to Harold the Helicopter. I'll show you again. So here's the thing you need that goes on at the bottom of Tomy Harold. As you can see, you use it to make Harold fly. Also, there's another thing that goes on. It goes on the station. I'll show it to you. See? Every time Thomas's friends stop at the station, Harold spins around. Maybe you should do that if you have one. So if you like this Tomy Harold, please give a thumbs up. So let's move on. Next up is a Trackmaster Harold I use for my series. Here's the front, side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. It has wheels at the bottom. You could turn the Trackmaster Harold's propellers around, just like the Tomy Harold. I'll show you. See? If you like this Trackmaster Harold, please give a thumbs up. Next up is the second version of Trackmaster Harold. It was customized. What I did to Harold? Well, I added some visible strings around Trackmaster Harold so he could fly on his own. I'll show you. See? He could fly on his own. I'll show you. Pretty nice, don't you think? If you like this custom-made version 2 Trackmaster Harold, please give him thumbs up. Next up is the Trackmaster Harold. I think this Trackmaster Harold who came with Trackmaster Percy in the Search and Rescue Center. How do you know? Well, hang on, I have to find it. There it is. On the website. On the website it has a hole for the thing, for the Wanny for the Search and Rescue Center. Every time Percy stops at the Search and Rescue Center, Harold appear will collect Percy's parcel. Every time Percy stops at the Search and Rescue Center again to collect his parcel, Harold appear will collect Percy's parcel. It will go underneath and land it on Percy's truck. His propellers is damaged, but I'm okay with it. I found him in the train show. So if you like this other Trackmaster hero, please get a thumbs up. Next up is another Trackmaster hero. This Trackmaster hero who came with Search and Rescue set. Also, there's another Trackmaster hero that just looks like it. It's a Superstation. I'm not going to show you it because it's the same. So if you like this other Trackmaster hero, please get a thumbs up. Next up is a Goldware hero. This Goldware hero, it has a wind-up thing at the bottom. This wind-up at the bottom is for the propellers can move on its own. I'll show you. See? How cool is that? It's just like in the model series. If you like this Goldware hero, please give a thumbs up. Next up is a Bachmann hero. This Bachmann hero who came with Bachmann Thomas, Bachmann Sir Topham Hatt, Bachmann Birdie, and Bachmann and the Incredible. Also, hero came on his own. I'll show you the box of it. See? I got this Bachmann hero on my birthday. So if you like this Bachmann hero, please give a thumbs up. Now everyone, before I end this video, I just forgot to show you at my other video of a comparison video to Hero the Helicopter. It's a take-along hero. I found it in the second bin. So here's the front, side, the other side, the top, and the bottom. I'm just going to set it here. I know there's another helicopter around. It's the Ertl Hero the Helicopter. I used to have the Ertl Hero the Helicopter when I was a kid, but his propellers is broken, so I had to order a new one off of eBay. As soon as I get Ertl Hero the Helicopter, we could get another comparison video to Hero the Helicopter. So stay tuned for that. Well guys, that's it with this video. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Make sure you send a nice comment, press the like button, and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you in the next video.